My beautiful people of Edo land, my beautiful state, Edo State. It's 1 year today you voted for that your governor. Godwin Ogagase Obaseki. It's 1 year because September of 2020 we were to file. I was among those that voted against him and people voted for him. Today makes it 1 year. 1 year has passed. He is just a 3-man squad. The only people leading Edo State, ruling Edo State, is the governor, the deputy governor, and the secretary to the state government. There is no councillors in place. There is no local government chairman in place. The House of Assembly is incomplete. That means it's not in place. He doesn't have commissioners. He doesn't have special advisors. He doesn't have special assistants. He doesn't have anybody. Edo people. Nobody is protesting. You are bemoaning yourself in your little corners. Nobody is talking. Where is your conscience? Just one man came to take over your state and is perpetrating the highest illegality, in an illegal manner that nobody can comprehend, and nobody is protesting. Are you people not ashamed? The whole of Nigeria, it is only Edo State that doesn't have anything that ought to be in the political space of the government. And nobody is complaining. Are you afraid of Godwin Obaseki? Is he now the owner of Edo State? Edo people, even you that voted for him, are you not tired? Are you not disappointed? I just came to Edo State for some weeks now. Come and look at the whole place. Just come to Edo State wherever you are. Come and look at your state. What is happening? Nobody is protesting that Obaseki should realize that the power belongs to the people. Where are the people that voted for him? I did not vote for him because I can't cast my vote for a man like that. I told you people from time on that he's a betrayer, he's a scam artist. You didn't listen. Now you are seeing how scammed. He has scammed you people. Obaseki, Edo State is not yours. Obaseki, Edo people are tired of you. If you are not ready to do what is right, I'm organizing a protest already. In the next 1 month, the protest that will hit you at your doorstep, you will not believe it. Who the hell are you? Who are you? Godwin Obaseki, please, who are you? The people voted for you to become governor, to develop the state, to move Edo State forward, not for you to amass wealth for yourself. What kind of a thing is this, Obaseki? The people were magnanimous enough to put you there. I wasn't, because I know you and I know you were a scam. Today I've been vindicated. Today a lot of people have been vindicated. If you do not do what is right, Godwin Obaseki, if you are not ready to do what is right, you are going to leave this state, or you are going to leave that position because it doesn't belong to you. That seat is meant for people who want to develop the states. Edo is our state. It's not yours. You are just a fucking governor. You are going to get out of that place if you are not ready to work. If you are not ready to develop Edo State, leave that seat. Pack your load and go back to the Lagos where you have been all your life. This Edo State where you are governor, you do not have a house of your own. The place you stay is a rented apartment. We all know that. Obaseki, everybody is not stupid. Enough is enough. It is either you start working or you pack your load and get out of Edo State. People like me are tired. We are tired. And we are in millions. Don't be surprised when we come calling at your gates. Government house will not contain you. Because we are fed up. Who the hell are you? What were you before you came to this state? As economic team lead that Oshomole put you. Who were you? Can you bring your profile? Can we see your company? You have reverse that is just a stockbroking business that you are carrying around. It's what is making you feel now today you are governor. You want to feel as if you are a god. You are taking the Edo people for granted. You are not taking me for granted because I never voted for you. I know you are a scam artist. It is those people that voted for you. They risked their life for you. They made enemies because of you. They fought for you. That you are disappointed. Not me. Because I knew. And I told the world on social media spaces, on televisions and everywhere that you are a scam. And today, those who fought along with me to say, no, we cannot have a scam artist as governor. We have all been vindicated. But your time is up. Your time is up. I give you from now to a more time. If you do not do what is right, if I don't come with people to drive you out of that government house with protests that you cannot stand, you will know that my name is not Princess Ogwemelu Ogwugbe. What is happening for crying out loud now? Governor go and come, Edo State remain. Edo people want to see why they voted for you. But want to see the job you are doing for Edo people. Want to see a development in Edo State. Scam artists called Nangangase Obaseki. People are fed up. Nobody's seen anything. People are just shocked at you. You are not ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. I hear it's Igbo you are smoking every day, so you don't have the time to think. People where get head, they don't get cap. People where get cap, don't get head. You are those that have a cap that don't have head. Edo people are fed up. We are fed up. Edo people, I'm fed up. I'm speaking on behalf of Edo people. We are fed up of you. If you're not ready to do what you are being voted to do, please get out. Please get out of Edo State. Leave that seat. It's not yours. You are supposed to be there for 4 years in trust for Edo's people. And that 4 years, we are supposed to see what you are doing to move Edo State forward. But we are not seeing anything. Really, if you do not sit tight and work for Edo people, that's the paramount reason they voted for you. If you are not ready to work for Edo people, you should be ready to pack your load and go back to Lagos where you came from. Because everybody is fed up. You cannot just leave one man to be destroying the state. For crying out loud, for what? Who the hell are you? Who the stupid hell are you? You are just a governor for 4 years. You are not most qualified. You don't have the degrees that I, Princess Ogwugbe, may have. You don't have it. You only have the privilege to become governor. You don't even have the know-how. You don't even have the sense that I singularly have. But because you were privileged among millions of people to be there, that's why you are there. You don't even value it. You now feel like a god among us. But you are nothing. You are just a governor of our state. And we can no longer keep quiet. If the whole state is keeping quiet, I can no longer keep quiet. I have said it. In the next 1 month, if things don't change, please wait for me. Wait for me. You will see what it is to organize a protest. And then you will know that when a woman speaks the word chicks,